What's the meaning of apportionment? Apportionment. Apportionment.
Apportionment. Apportionment. Apportionment refers to the act of dividing or distributing something proportionally among different individuals or groups. It is commonly used in the context of allocating resources, such as money or property, based on a specific formula or criteria. The result of apportionment is that each person or group receives a fair and equitable share of the resources being distributed, which helps to ensure that no one is unfairly advantaged or disadvantaged. Apportionment is an important tool for promoting fairness and equity in a variety of different settings, including government, business, and non-profit organizations.